Hey guys, so I did eventually end up getting the Dyson Airwrap. If you watched my previous videos, you will know that I tried ordering it during the Sephora VIB sale. I thought it was coming. It didn't actually come. Sephora refunded me, so we're all good. But I was able to find it at Best Buy, and Best Buy price matched the Sephora 20% off price. So I'm really excited. I just opened up the box. It comes beautifully packaged. I mean, not just the outer box, but you guys probably know it comes in this like leather carrying case. It has this like magnetic tab closure. It has these beautiful like sections for the pieces to go in. I mean, just really, really chic. Very, very chic, very elegant. I don't know how practical it is. It's not like I'm going to travel with this case. I don't even know where I'm going to store it at this point, but it is very, very beautiful. What I purchased during the Sephora VIB sale, which did come, is the long barrel attachment. So this attachment is for long hair, and I do have very long hair. It is the 30 millimeter, 1.2 inch. I wanted the barrel that was even thicker than that, but that one was sold out. So I was like, let me just get this. I'll probably end up getting the other one at another point. So we're gonna be playing around with this as well. But what I wanted to try first, because I don't have the Dyson, the hair dryer. I don't know if there's a fancy name for it, but the actual hair dryer, I don't have that. I used it a couple times when I went to Japan because they actually had that hair dryer at the hotel. I was like, I'm never leaving. So I did really like it when I used it there, but I never picked it up. And this actually has like a hair dryer attachment. So I want to see how well it works. Do I still need to get the hair dryer if I still have this attachment? I've heard that this isn't quite as powerful, but I don't really need anything too powerful. I use that Aquas hair turban that gets like most of the water out of my hair. So I don't think I need a majorly strong hair dryer anyway, but that's what we're gonna be starting with. All right, so here is the base. I'm gonna take all of the wrapping that comes off. So here is the base, and I'm learning this as I'm filming this. So if I make a complete ass of myself, please just laugh along, all good. Here is the, wow, this is a major power cord. Hold on. Look at this power cord. God. Okay. There are some buttons here which I will figure out. I guess this is just the power and I don't know. Heat and fan. Okay. So that is the handle / base. And the Airwrap version that I got is the complete set. So it does come with the travel pouch, which is like underneath here, which I'll show you once I get there. And then it has a lot of attachments. So let me just show you the hair dryer attachment. That is this guy. And we've got these curlers. So these are great if you have shorter hair. That's why I needed the longer attachment, because these are, it's like, I could see like my hair would wrap around and I would just run out of space. So the ones that come in this set, great for shorter hair. And then these are the smaller ones. And I see you have one each, one I guess for either side of your hair. There's arrows on here letting you know, I'm guessing the direction that your hair is gonna go in. So like these are pointing out. So I'd want this one here and this one here. I don't know. We'll figure it out or not. We may not figure it out, but we'll try to figure it out. And then we've got this attachment, a brush attachment. I feel like I'm going to be using the brush attachments more than the curlers, the rollers. Here is another version. And then here is the round brush. All right, so I'm going to put the hair dryer attachment on. Oh, on the back there is a lock and unlock, and then put that in and then, oh yeah, and then it's locked in. Okay, cool. Let me plug this massive cord in, and I'm gonna turn it on here. Oh, cool. Oh, this is the front. Let me turn this around then. All right, let's give this a whirl. So I have it on the highest fan setting. The heat is all the way up. So we'll give those settings a shot. All right, I don't think that was necessarily faster than my normal hair dryer. I do use a T3 Cure Luxe hair dryer, and that is actually really, really fast. So I don't think this one is necessarily faster, but I will say, because I have long hair and there are no external fans or anything for my hair to get caught in, that's really, really nice. I'm so just used to hair dryers kind of eating a little bit of my hair here and there. It always kind of gets stuck in the fan when I kind of bring it too close to my hair. And so I didn't even think about it when I wanted to get the hair dryer. I just thought, oh, it looks really cool and it looks powerful but quiet, you know, all the things that they touted. And I just never even thought about the fact that my hair wouldn't get caught in it anymore. So that is a huge plus, big plus. All right, well, that was very pleasant. I liked that, but I am anxious to move on to the actual barrel tool. So I'm gonna take this off, I'm gonna flip this to unlock. Pull this out. This is a little warm. I wouldn't say it poses any danger, but it is a little bit warm. And I'm gonna take out the long barrel here. All right, so I guess 2 barrels come with every attachment. So you've got the opposing directions there. I am definitely gonna have to quickly look up like a tutorial on how to use it. So there really isn't much information in the box. They give you one of those QR codes to scan, and I think it pulls up a video. So I'm going to do that, see what they tell me on how to use this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I was supposed to leave my hair damp. I guess that's the point of using an air one. Anyway, well, we're going to try it. If it doesn't work, and I'll be able to tell probably with the first try, I'll just wet my hair again. So I'm gonna section the top part off. I've got a little gator clip here. And now, oh, I should put the barrel on. So I'm gonna do this side, and you're supposed to have the arrows facing away from your face. So, you know, it's funny, when you look at the arrows, when I'm looking at this barrel, the arrows look like they're going this way, but when you hold it up to your face, they're going this way. So I think you just have to be careful that you're not looking at the barrel. You know what I mean? That you're like looking in the mirror, because I think that's what they mean. Okay, we'll see. So I'm gonna put this in. It's locked in place. This, by the way, is a little cold shot. So this power button, when you turn it on and you let it go, it'll get to this heat, this temperature. But if you pull that up, it'll end up being like a cold shot. And then holding it down is off. So just FYI. All right, so I am supposed to let it grab on to like an end here. And then I'm just supposed to let go, and then kind of, it just starts to wrap around. So let's see what happens. Wow. Wow. Do you guys see this? I didn't cut out any of that footage. What? Okay, first of all, I don't like my hair this curly, so we're not even gonna have to hold it that long. Wow. Or maybe I just need to kind of grab more hair, because this was kind of like a wispy bit. Okay, I'm amazed. First of all, I thought it was going to be a lot harder. There was going to be like a lot steeper of a learning curve. That was pretty easy. Okay, let's see if that was beginner's luck. Let's try it again. I'm going to take like a thicker chunk of hair. I think if I have more hair, it won't be quite as curly. So let me grab even a little bit more. I'm freaking amazed. I'm so amazed right now. I'm so amazed. If you like these kind of curls, you're gonna be in heaven. I like my curls a little bit more wavy. So I definitely need to get, I think, the thicker barrel. Wow, okay. All right, I'm gonna go around and finish this section of my hair, and then we'll switch barrels and do this side. And again, see if it's any harder, any different, if it feels weird. I cannot believe how fast that works. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That is insane. All right, so I'm gonna change out this barrel for this one. So this piece was a little bit of a fail because what I was trying to do was leave more of the end of my hair kind of like not wrapped around, because I don't like when it curls all the way to the bottom like this. So this one looks a little kind of like janky, janky at the end, but it still worked. It still worked. I'm just gonna have to kind of figure out and perfect like where I kind of stop the wrapping. Oh my God, I'm like so amazed. I can't believe how fast this is. You guys, I am a convert. I mean, I had high hopes. I was really excited to get this. I'm so happy that it like is easy to use. That really was my main concern, that a lot of people I felt like were having problems or like just trying to figure it out. I thought that was so easy to use, and I'm kind of like an uncoordinated person. So that was amazing. So that was awesome. It's easy to use. I can't believe how fast this was. If you're someone that doesn't curl their hair or style their hair because it just takes too darn long, this is the answer to all your prayers. I mean, if you're someone that really enjoys, you know, curling your hair, you don't have a problem doing that or whatever, you probably don't need this tool, yet another hair tool. But wow. And the curl is, I mean, it's curled. It looks like when I use a curling iron. I'm amazed. All right, well, that is it for this video. I have no more hair to curl. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm so glad I was able to score this at Best Buy. So a big thumbs up to Best Buy for price matching. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video.